From the sky, 172 Trad unfolds as a Greek revival treasure, a hidden gem tucked behind forged gates. For generations, the home passed through Charleston's elite, most recently designer Carolyn Rome, who has reimagined each space as a living work of art. Inside, the flying staircase welcomes guests in grand fashion, leading into twin parlors and a chandelier-lit dining room, envisioned as a library rich with historic detail. Upstairs, every living space is appointed with impeccable style, sophistication, and purpose. A light-filled kitchen and breakfast room, once shared by some of Charleston's most notable guests, opens to the breezy gardens where you can feel the history in every step. A masterful restoration honors the home's federal heritage, from its soaring columns to the intricate details that crown them. A timeless canvas where hospitality, art, and architecture converge in perfect balance. This is Charleston living.